All right, personal box break for Charlie. 2020 Topps Chrome Jumbo Baseball. This is from a fresh case, so I will have boxes available now. It's been sitting here sealed for a while, but we're going to dig into it. Charlie's going to take one. I'm going to take seven. No, I'm just kidding. I might actually open some, though. This is dangerous because I do love this product. There's a lot of good rookies in here that and they usually grade real well, too. So it's a nice product, and I think if Lewis Robert comes out the gate and kills it, this stuff's going to go way up. So it's only $6.50 a box right now, and it could go up pretty easily if he, or any of the guys for that matter. All right, so let's do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Six. We'll leave them right there so as to tempt you for some more after this one. The more you open, the less I have to open later. Right? Okay. I opened some of this when it first came out, but I haven't opened any for a while. 5 chrome autos. Anybody else that's watching, I have plenty of stuff to rip. If you guys want, just speak up in the chat or send me a message. I have 2 group breaks for you. Now that I'm live and able to talk about the March Madness promo, the only reason I can't post the prizes yet is because we need to get, the way that I worked it, we need to get 8 breaks off in order to do it. So if we don't, I would have to adjust it. So kind of going to play it by ear, but I have an idea of how much I can put into it based on each break and stuff. So if you're interested, it's Immaculate Baseball 4-box break random teams. $76 get you in, and 8 of the 30 spots will get into the March Madness promo. So it's a pretty fun break because you're getting a random team for Immaculate, 4 boxes, which is awesome as it is, and then you get 8 shots at getting into the March Madness promo, where you'll get a team in the bracket and get to sweat that out. There's also the football pack break, which I don't know how it's not full. It's 2 of the hottest products in football, Optic Hobby and Prism No Huddle. You get a pack from each. There's 11 left. If you want in, you want a filler, let me know. All right. I've changed the focus on the camera, so it should be pretty solid. We got an auto in the first pack. It is pitcher for the Marlins, Jordan Yamamoto, rookie auto on card for the Marlins. Yamamoto. Let's see if these are using regular top loaders or 75s. Looks like regular. A lot of I forgot about that part. A lot of well, I don't know how many rookies you get, but all right, Laureano refractor on the Laureano, and the Prism is Matt Mathias. Cody. Hopefully you get a couple of the rookies on the base cards. You got a chance of getting color refractors. Obviously the autos. Tatis. Yastrzemski on the Future Stars insert. Nolan Ryan on the die cut insert. There is a rookie refractor of Bruce Gratterall. Ronald Acuna on the 85 Topps insert. That's a refractor. I can't remember if they're all refractors, though. They might be. Dubon on the rookie. Seth Brown rookie, and Gradwell on the regular rookie. Sheldon Neuse on the rookie. Freshman Flash rookie. Insert Brennan McKay. Tim Anderson refractor. Yon Moncada on the prism. Edwin Rios on the rookie. I haven't opened it in so long, I honestly don't remember. There's one of the rookie base you're looking for. Arozarena, rookie base for the Cardinals. Randy Arozarena. Ichiro on the die cut. Means on the refract. 85 tops. Does look like they're all refractors. Yelich. Biggio. Second auto, Sean Murphy. Rookie auto of Sean Murphy for the Oakland A's. Second auto is Murphy. Who's that? Arozarena? You know that one needs a 75-point top loader. They're not consistent. All right, Tommy Edman is the refractor. Buster Posey prism. Victor Robles on the Future Stars. Kevon Biggio is a green for the Blue Jays, and it is number /99. Green for Toronto. Kevon Biggio out of 99. Dubon on the rookie refractor. Austin Riley 85. Freshman Flash, AJ Puck. Refractor of Peralta. Paul DeJong on the prism. Aquino, rookie base. Oh, you got a nice auto. Rookie base, Aquino. And here's one of the autos you're looking for. Nico Horner, rookie base. Nico Horner, rookie base auto for the Cubbies. That's a good one. With upside, I think. I have a blue one up on eBay right now for only like $100, I think, but I think he's going to go up. I've had a lot of people message about it and a lot of watchers on it. I don't know what his base is, but if the blue's around there, it's probably 30 or 40. So, nice one to hit there. Seth Brown on the refractor. Aquino is the rookie 85 tops. Aquino. Luzardo rookie. McKay. Brennan McKay on the rookie base. Vladdy. Dylan Cease, freshman Flash rookie. Soler on the refractor. Ketel Marte on the prism. Nico Horner, rookie base for the Cubs. Nico Horner. Yeah, he's a good one. You might even want to hang on to him. It's pretty good. Another green. It is Aaron Nola this time for the Phillies out of 99. Aaron Nola. Conforto refractor. Devers on the 85. Vladdy. Another auto. This is a rookie auto on card for San Fran. Keen Wong. Keen Wong, rookie auto on card for the Giants. Jansen refractor and Christian Walker on the Prism. Dylan Cease, rookie. The last pack. Good luck. Purple auto, maybe? Tony Gonsolin. It is a purple auto, but it is Tony Gonsolin, pitcher for the Dodgers, rookie, number to 250. Number to 250 on the rookie auto. Purple. Tony Gonsolin. Refractor of Urena. Jordan Alvarez on the 85 tops. No Jordan, no Robert, and no Bichette rookies in a jumbo box. That's tough, man. They spread them out, I guess, which is good and bad at the same time. Thank you, Charlie. Let me know if you want another one. They're waiting for you. I know, right? Who wants spots in the group breaks? We have 11 left in the football pack break. You get a pack from each box. Prism No Huddle and Optic Hobby. You will get a pack from both of these. You also have 2 shots at getting an extra pack from the Optic Hobby. 11 left, 110 bucks. If you want in, let me know. Also, we're starting a March Madness promo, but we need to fill 8 breaks before then. First one is Immaculate Baseball. All right, let me do this. Personal box coming up. All right, Charlie, I'm keeping it on the same video for the upload. I got 3 of them. Sounds good. All right, 1, 2, or 3. This is 2020 Bowman Jumbo, chasing that J. Domingo. One, 2, or 3. Which one's got the J? Domingo in it. Three, he says. You got it. I got two left. Might throw them in a mixer or a draft break for you guys. Still have some of those products left, but the price would be higher than what we were doing them at before. But we shall see. All right, three autos. This is 2020 Bowman Jumbo. Man, are you in the room? If you're in the room, I can talk to you here. Or else I'll message you when I'm done. All right, we do have a Jordan rookie insert in the first pack. Jordan, a rookie. Alec Bowman. Chrome. Let's go, eh? Let's go. I see purple. It's ink. It is number to 250 for the A's, Gus Varland. On the auto, purple. Number to 250 for Oakland, Gus Varland. Oh, this dog driving me crazy. Madrigal. Mountcastle. Yamamoto, rookie insert, Patino, and Evan White. J. Dominguez on the paper. Dominguez on the first Bowman paper. The A's, and you're not a fan yet. I feel like there's a lot of A's in these products. Auto, number 2 for the Rays, Ford Proctor. Ford Proctor, base auto for Tampa. 92nd overall pick. Gavin Lux and Braylon Marquez. Alec Bohm on the chrome. Nico Horner, rookie, on the paper. Bo Bichette and Kyle Lewis, rookie paper. AJ Puck, there is a Lewis Robert, chrome insert. Antonio Cabello, refractor, first Bowman out of 499. Mountcastle, Rushman, Diaz, Gilliam, Carlson, Joe Adell, Lewis Roberts on the chrome. I know, right? Definitely the wrong Yank. Sean Murphy, rookie insert. Joe Adell insert. Luciano. Pache on the chrome. Adele on the insert. Rushman on the chrome. Yu Chang, Logan Gilbert. Lewis Robert, rookie paper. Wander Franco on the chrome. Kellenic. Some rookie paper here. Aquino. Arizarena. Yordan Alvarez. And Gavin Lux, all on the rookie paper. Heliot Ramos on the chrome insert. Grayson Rodriguez is a yellow paper number to 75 for the Orioles. Last pack. Good luck. Nico Horner on the rookie base paper. Bo Bichette and Kyle Lewis again. Rookie papers. Oh, we had a nice one. Okay, the very last pack. Yordan Alvarez, rookie favorites, number to 150. Rookie auto. That's not Jay Dominguez, but that's pretty nice. Yordan Alvarez, numbered 112 of 150 for the Astros. Rookie insert. Very nice. Oh, I'm always pulling for you, for sure. Lewis Robert. Definitely want the big hits. Hines out of 125 blue for the Reds. And no Chrome Dominguez, unfortunately. But a nice hit there at the end. Thank you, Charlie. I appreciate it, man. Let me know if I can get you any spots.